When I had foot surgeries, this would have been so much more comfortable than the foot brace I had. It's simple to put on and easily adjustable to suit your comfort preferences and stability needs. Nestle your foot into the cradle and wrap the straps to achieve the secure fit you're after. Who wants a stiff walking boot when you can opt for a flexible footbed to pad around the house? For quick cleaning, simply disconnect the cushy inner lining and pop it into the washing machine. There are several ways to adapt the pieces of this set, including wearing the upper band or lower band separately. Step into the support you need.